how everybody will do this frog position and how to stretch your body for that position. I will show you now. So let's get stand in this side, take our leg and starting the pushing down. So take it 1 for warm up, 2 and 3. Let's change leg. Take it 1, 2 and 3. Good work. Take down and go stretch forward. So 1, 2, 3. Let's change. Take 1, 2. Good work. After that, we'll try take on the knees and try take on leg and try take split and sit. 1, 2, 3 and take leg and we'll get this position. 4. Take 2 legs together. Take your breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. I will hope that you like it. Follow me and go and watch my another video. So bye bye.